Let's now discuss this recent development in Rivers State further, and I am now being joined by legal practitioner Evan Tufeli. Thank you for joining us on the news, Mr. Ifuli. Now, what do you make of this back and forth between the Rivers State House of Assembly and the governor?
Well, I think the State House of Assembly is getting it very wrong, and it is quite wrong for them to say that they have the authority and power to summon the governor to come and represent a budget. A budget is an executive bill that details appropriation. Okay, and it is the executive that will determine when it is presented. In this case, the Supreme Court has given a directive that it should go and represent that budget. It didn't mean that the State House of Assembly is therefore empowered by law to give the executive an ultimatum. It is a legislative illiteracy, okay, to arrogate such kind of powers to yourself. The legislature have no such powers under our laws. It is executive that will go present the budget, okay? And if it were to be in a situation where things were running normal, okay, the law even says that the executive can take 6 months, okay, into time of the next of a new year before presenting the budget. Where they can present it before the new year, fine. Where they are not able to present it before the new year, 6 months, that's when things are normal. But in this case, it's not even a normal situation. So the Supreme Court just, gave a judgment to the effect that she can represent that budget because it presented it before to the three House members. And now it's going to represent it to the larger House. Does not then empower any House of Assembly in any way to then begin to give the governor an ultimatum to come and pray like an errand boy or something. It's not done. You have to allow the governor to take, he has already said he will comply with of course, he has no choice to comply with the ruling of the Supreme Court. And he has said he will comply. So why give him ultimatum to come and present it? So it is because of that ultimatum that they couldn't get. That was why they shut the door out. And now they are claiming that no, they didn't shut the door out of the governor. The governor did not communicate them. Whereas we saw a letter, the governor communicated the Speaker of the State House of Assembly of Rivers State before he undertook that journey. So you see, it is time for the warring parties to prioritize the citizens. I don't think this thing is it's so unfortunate. And I'm passionate about it because I'm partly Rivers. Okay? Because I don't think this is right. Now, Wike is there in Abuja saying that if Fubara is impeached, the heavens will not fall, and the rest of that. Claiming and boasting that he was told to make a proper Ijo man, the governor, that he went and then made someone from Opobo and all that. That if a Calabari man would have. All these are no issue. As we speak, Fubara is the governor of Rivers State. Okay. The court have made a pronouncement. He's willing to comply. He has taken steps to comply. If there should be contempt anywhere, the State House of Assembly is the one that will be in contempt of court in the case under reference. Because
Cut
the
you
governor
short,
has made
Mr. Evans. I'm
effort,
so
and that
sorry to
effort
cut you
has
short,
been
but there are
seen.
talks that the governor's actions are impeccable. Now, could this dispute lead to his removal or impeachment? Just like he said that Wike said, even if he's been impeached, Evans would not fall. So, could this dispute lead to his removal or further constitutional crisis in the state?
Well, I mean, it is quite very clear from Wike's expression and that we're hearing that the next target is how to impeach him. That's where they are going to. Okay, that's really where they are going to how to impeach Fubara. Okay, but you see, you need a whole lot to impeach a governor. Okay, you can't just you serve him a notice, you follow it up by waiting for his response, his defense. You set up a 7-man committee. Now they are technically going after the chief judge of the state so that they can see. This is politics of vendetta. the people of Rivers State have not even enjoyed the dividend of democracy since inception in 2023. And I think this is very wrong. Now they want to make a calculated move to impeach him. Well, they should, but I mean, the public can see exactly what is going on. That it is the State House of Assembly that is preventing the implementation of the judgment of the Supreme Court of Nigeria. And if contempt must lie anywhere, it must lie at the State House of Assembly members, who, by the way, woke up one morning and defected to a different political party, where that deepened the crisis therein. And I think that a time has come where the elders of that state or whoever that is going to work on them to allow peace to reign, allow the governor to govern. You cannot impeach him in this manner. There's no gross misconduct whatsoever. Impeachment is supposed to follow gross misconduct by the governor. Okay? That is what is supposed to, now you've gone to court. Court has said, go and represent. You presented it to a wrong, you presented an assembly that is incoherent before now. Now go and present it to the full house. He was taking the steps already to do so, and you are giving him an ultimatum. I think the State House of Assembly of Rivers State, they need to go back to school or get legislative training on how to
legal practitioner Evans Ufeli, thank you so much for your contribution. As always, we appreciate your insight.